Hello and welcome to a new Python coding challenge. It's nearly Christmas and I'm sure you're all busy buying presents for friends and family. So what better game to play with friends at Christmas than Secret Santa? And what better way to pick names than through a piece of code? So here is your challenge for today. Write a Python script that takes a list of people's names and randomly generates the pairs of names needed to play Secret Santa. You can use the list shown here, or feel free to substitute it with a list of your own friends or family. Also, remember the 3 rules of Secret Santa. Nobody should have to buy themselves a present, everybody should buy only one present, and everybody should be given only one present. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas-themed challenge, and make sure to check out next week's video for my solution. Also, make sure to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. As usual, I'll leave a link to my tutorial videos and previous coding challenges in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description. If you have any questions about the challenge or have any suggestions about topics for future videos, let me know in the comments below. Having said that, I look forward to seeing you next week, and until then, happy coding!